Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates with revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have for dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skill that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects. And along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, now I'm going to review a financial modeling and investment banking course by Zell Edu. Okay, so the course name is Post Graduation Program in Investment Banking Operations. Okay, so if we go down to like look at the details of this course, so this course comes with a duration of 6 months. So the schedule will be happening on the weekends. So then eligibility for this course will be graduate. Okay, and fees is basically available to pay in the EMI options. Okay, so then looking at like what they are covering in this course, like if we talk about the core module, in this core module, so they are covering about like accounting and financial statement analysis, global financial market and institutions, corporate finance and capital structure decisions, mastering equity and debt market valuation, risk and investing, essentials, derivative and risk management, portfolio management and trade operations. So financial modeling and Excel for finance, presentation skills for finance professionals. So these are the things which are included in the core module. So along with that, so you'll also be learning about the trade operation like specialized path one, trade operation and market infrastructure, trade execution, clearing and risk management, and so on. Okay. So then they are also covering a bit about like specialized pathway two, wherein you'll be learning about advanced corporate finance, financial decision making, merger acquisition and that analysis, then portfolio management and asset allocation, risk management and portfolio hedging strategies, financial research and pitch, AI in corporate finance, portfolio optimization and storytelling. So all of these things are basically included in this course. So now coming down to like what are the features of this course? So they are taking the guarantee for the interview, 6 months live online training will be there, one-to-one doubt solving sessions will be there, industry expert as trainers, campus immersion and network events and more will be you'll be getting in this course. Okay. So now coming to like what kind of job opportunities that you can apply for once you are done with this particular course. So you can apply for analyst or investment banking associate, risk management consultant, money market analyst, global finance researcher, and so on. Okay. So now coming to what will be the fees that you'll be paying for this course. So this course basically comes with a fees of 1.5 lakhs inclusive the immersion, okay, plus 150 hours in training. Okay, so that is the investment that you'll be doing. So in return, so you'll be getting a salary up to 6 lakhs per annum in case you do this course well and in case you get placed uh, through the Zell Edu investment banking course. Okay. So in the campus immersion, so you'll be learning about offline session with experience faculty, then extensive interview preparation, guest lectures by F&A industry luminaries, then networking with peers and experts, so team building and insightful tours. So all these things are basically included in this course. Okay, now coming to if they are covering on the placement part, so they have not specifically mentioned about, but so they will be providing kind of support to you. Okay, so let me check if they are providing any internship. So they haven't mentioned on their website. So now coming to, so like after looking at the details of this particular course, now I'm going to rate this particular course based on certain parameters which are listed on the left. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be good course, then Excel